What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out the KSP from solubility. Here it says copper 1 bromide has a measured solubility of 2.0 times 10 to the power of negative 4 mole per liter at 25 degrees Celsius. Calculate its KSP value. What does that mean, KSP? KSP is solubility product constant. So let's see how to do it. We have copper 1 bromide, which is CuBr, that's in solid phase. When it dissolves, it's gonna generate ions and bromide here. So we have cation and anion in here, and we can say KSP is going to be equal to the concentration of Cu plus times concentration of Br minus at equilibrium condition. Initially there is no ion here, none of them, so it is 0, but at the end of the reaction the concentration of each of these guys is going to be this amount, because that's the solubility of this salt in here. So we can say KSP equals to 2 times 10 to the power of negative 4 times 2 times 10 to the power of negative 4. That's going to be 4 times 10 to the power of negative 8. So that's the KSP for this salt. Usually we don't report the unit of KSP. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.